In some important developments, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Nepalese counterpart KP Sharma Oli has a telephonic conversation on India's Independence Day. The conversation lasted for 15 minutes. The call between the leaders comes at a time of heightened tensions between New Delhi and Kathmandu. It is the first time the two leaders have spoken to each other since Nepal issued a new map showing Indian territories as its own. For more details, let's quickly go across to our principal diplomatic correspondent Siddhant Sibal, who's joining us live with more details. Siddhant, a very warm welcome to you. Now, this is indeed a significant development. Do share details.
Well, Akanksha, the fact that the conversation happened between both the leaders is significant, given the fact that as of now, the relationship between Kathmandu and New Delhi haven't been very good. But the main points, the talking points, were the fact that the conversation was started at the insistence of Nepali Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli. Conversation continued for 15 minutes. He congratulated India for getting the seat at the United Nations Security Council. The non-permanent seat is starting next year, and of course talked about the COVID crisis. In fact, both the leaders talked about the COVID crisis, and the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi offered Nepal help, any kind of help Nepal needs to combat the COVID crisis. Also, the Indian Prime Minister recalled the civilizational and the historical relationship between both the countries, and the conversation happening just 2 days before India and Nepal sit together for talks on India's development projects in the country. The development projects India is planning, the projects which are underway, but largely it is significant because relationship has been going in a downward trajectory after the new Nepal map showing Indian territories as Nepali territories, but also comments coming by the Nepali Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli. Remember, he has blamed India for the COVID crisis. He has also touched on the emotional chord in a sense by saying that Lord Ram was a Nepali, and then thereafter we know there was a clarification by the Nepali Foreign Ministry. But by and large, these 15 minutes talks can pave way for larger conversation, perhaps in the future when the relationship is much more in a positive terrain.
Absolutely, very well said, Siddhant. We never know if this conversation might pave way for more future conversations between India and Nepal. Thank you so much for bringing us all those details.